Life is either an incredible adventure or nothing at all. Alright guys, so check this out. We are heading to Glacier Park. That's right. We're heading to Glacier Park, Montana. And we're about to go pick up some friends, and we're actually gonna switch ride. We're gonna take his ride, and we're gonna meet up more friends out there, okay? So it should be a pretty fantastic ride, fantastic trip. Once again, guys, if you guys get some free time, please do take the time to go visit Glacier Park. It is a very beautiful place, all right? Okay, guys, we'll check you out. We'll check you guys out in like, what, maybe a couple of hours, all right? Okay, cool. Guys, check this out. We are heading to, we're heading toward Glacier right now. It's my buddy Casey right here. He's got a pretty cool tent on top right there. If you guys can see that, there you go. If you guys can see that, that's where we're sleeping for the next couple nights. It was a great investment. It was pretty cool. So once we get there, I'm gonna film all the way through, okay? So you guys will get a chance to see this with us, all right? So we'll check you guys back in a few hours. Alright guys, so here we are at our campsite. It's pretty beautiful. And so, can't fly my drone. That's unfortunate. There's a $5,000 fee and they take your drone away. I love my Mavic Pro too much, alright? So just check out the ground site here. Say hi baby. Look at that. Here's my buddy Casey's city camp style. It's pretty comfortable, guys. Highly suggest you guys to get one. This is the lake during the day. What a beautiful lake. What a beautiful experience. I wish you all could be here with us. Maybe you will next time. Whew. Let's take another look at this lake together.